Acupuncture is a safe, reliable way to help the body heal naturally. In this video, I will talk to you about what acupuncture is and how acupuncture treatment can not only help you be in less pain, but also stabilize your moods, boost your immune system, and give you more energy. Acupuncture is the insertion of hair-thin stainless steel needles, which are activated through specific movements of the practitioner's hands or with electrical stimulation in order to trigger a reaction from the body to create change. A properly trained acupuncturist can reliably create a variety of effects on the body and successfully repeat those sensations, whether it be a local achy, full, or heavy sensation, a satellite response from somewhere other than where there are needles, or a cascading spiderweb effect flooding out from the needle in all directions, to more common sensations like waves of calmness, cooling, or warmth. The movement of the needle activates the desired acupuncture point function. This local reaction travels through the fascia, moving the blood and affecting the nerves and immune response. It creates a wave that reaches the brain and spinal cord, triggering a centralized reaction. With each acupuncture point, using proper needle movement and body work, we're creating a series of reactions in the body. This creates a cascade of events stimulating the central and peripheral nervous systems, not only affecting our gut-brain axis, but stimulating the release of chemicals into the muscles, spinal cord, brain, and internal organs, but also triggering the cardiovascular system by moving blood, which changes the level at which the body can distribute nutrients and hormones. These in turn affect the endocrine system, changing the regulation of the adrenal pituitary axis, which has an effect on the immune strength. All of this has an effect on the mental and emotional well-being. Did you know acupuncture is just one of the practices of Chinese medicine? The other parts of Chinese medicine are herbs, body work like Tuina massage, gua sha and cupping, and Daoyin, therapeutic stretching and exercises. I often combine acupuncture with other body work modalities because it sends a stronger, more unified message to the body and simply gets you results quicker. What can acupuncture help with? The largest part of my practice is treating chronic and acute injuries of all kinds. So things like back pain, shoulder and neck issues, tennis elbow, plantar fasciitis, leg issues, hip issues, just about any muscle, tendon, or ligament issue. I also see a lot of patients for a variety of digestive issues, migraines, panic attacks, and anxiety. What happens during your first acupuncture session? You will fill out some paperwork asking all about the issues you are having. From here, we will go into the treatment room and sit and have an in-depth discussion about what brought you in for treatment. I will take into account your age and vitality. I will look at the quality of blood flow by examining your pulse and the quality of fluids of the body by examining your tongue. These will affect the type of treatment I believe will work best for you on the day of your appointment. Once I have a grasp on what is going on, I will run through all physical assessments. Chinese medicine is not solely focused on what the dysfunction is. I'm trying to determine what allowed the dysfunction to happen, wherever or however it manifested. So I will use the pulse, tongue, and physical assessments to figure this out. Now we can discuss what the plan is for your treatment and a brief overview of what I expect you to get out of it. After that, it's treatment time. When you are finished with your treatment and walk out the door, I want you to be able to identify tangible changes to your injury and illness. It's important to know that I will use the information about how you respond to your first treatment as a diagnostic tool. I typically ask patients to do 3 treatments in the first 7 to 9 days, and in those treatments, we should see a lot of progress. After the 3 treatments, we can reassess progress and make sure you are getting your money's worth out of the treatments. By this time, if you have not already achieved your goal, I will typically have an idea of how many more treatments you may need.